Then if that does or does not work, we're still going to go to the Fed. They're going to bring rates down. They're going to print money when markets really tank to sustain the bond market, to keep yields down. That's the Fed's real mandate, keep yields down so that the cost of debt for Uncle Sam isn't too high. And we'll just print more money and debase the currency so gold will continue to smile and get the last laugh in these desperate times. And then after that, don't give me the calendar. I can't predict this with any kind of timing, but I can see the direction. After that, we'll do what the IMF pre-telegraphed in 2020. We'll get together and do a Bretton Woods, a new Bretton Woods. And that will is destructive and dysfunctional and as dishonest as that is, because CBDC is incredibly invasive to our civil liberties and privacy. It's a control mechanism. As incredibly divisive as that is, it's coming. And even that has got a gold backing embedded into its DNA. So you see the direction here. The exact weak moment or needle that hits this balloon and triggers these things are impossible to time, but they're all happening. And in the direction for the dollar is weaker, and the direction for gold is higher. For fiat money in general is more debasement. Again, because there's too much debt to pay for that with natural fiat money, the natural tax receipts, productivity, trade that would create that liquidity. There isn't enough natural liquidity to cover the expansion, exponential expansion of that debt. So central banks like the Fed and the ECB and the Bank of England will do what they do best: click a zero on their balance sheet and debase the currency. And that just creates horrific consequences for the man on the street, the invisible tax of inflation. That causes social unrest, that causes desperation, that causes the working poor to become even more poor. It's a dramatic, as Dalio said, shift now in geopolitics, in politics within our country, in wealth inequality, in monetary desperation, and now global trade desperation. We're seeing this because things are breaking down.